Hey everybody, this is Crystal with Crystal's Diverse Creations, and I'm actually getting ready to use my tumbler wrap for the first time. So I wanted to take a moment and show you all how I was doing it. So I prepped the cup like I normally would. The only difference is I just put a sheet of paper on it as opposed to doing the whole taping method. So it's just going to be a sheet of paper. Let me pull you down. So it's a sheet of paper here. Let's see. And I'm just going to add one piece of heat tape like that. Okay, and then when you're wrapping it, it goes like this. Just kind of put your tumbler in like such. Make sure you got it all the way to the top and to the bottom as best you can, and then you just kind of hook it over. And that's it. And then you just go ahead and sub like you normally would. So I actually do 400, and I do 3.5, spin it 3.5. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have the oven already ready. I'm gonna go ahead and prep it, and you can see how it looks when I take it off. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got it out of the oven, and I'm gonna take the wrap off and see what we have. Just kind of bending it so it slides off. I sure hope it comes out nice, because it's much easier than the whole tape method. So I'm just taking off the outer paper, and the color seems to have come through nicely. When I use it, I only try to go out because I have scratched the cup before with that tool. So if you do use it, only come out. Okay. She looking good. She looking real good. Let's see. I say it's a winner. What y'all say? Not too bad on the seam. Looks good to me. I like it. So that's not bad. I actually bought this from somebody that was just doing a buy-in on Facebook for $19.99. A friend of mine who lives in Atlanta, she actually saw them in one of her stores. So I guess they're starting to be a little bit more common. But again, it was $19.99 and it was like, I don't know, $6 or $7 for shipping. But I'm so glad it worked because this is the first time that I'm using it. And it just saves you a lot of the headache of the time that it takes to tape it. I mean, I don't have a problem with taping it, but it is time consuming. And if you're getting similar results, or actually very good results, it's like, why not? So I'm gonna probably snag me a second one because I would have been ready to stick the other one right in or been able to put them in at the same time, but only had one. So hope this helps if somebody's interested in using or purchasing one of these tumbler wraps. They do actually work. So hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, or subscribe. Take care.